So you have a bright, groundbreaking idea for a new product or service and you're looking for investors, then AngelMatch could be of help. AngelMatch is an extensive database of angel investors and angel groups, also venture capitalists, micro VCs, and private equity firms you can use to quickly find and build your target investor list. Behind the list, this angel batch is using artificial intelligence, and it makes it so easy with the help of generative AI to send outreach AI emails to the database of investors for your product. The good thing about AngelMatch is that it is not just an email generator because that is something which anything or anyone could do. This is just an example how the AngelMatch is using generative AI to solidify their offering. So, for example, with the help of AI within AngelMatch, you can filter your research to find investors in your own sector. The investor database of AngelMatch can be filtered by investment interests, investment funds, investment stages, and locations. So you can quickly find investors who are best fit for your business. Also, AngelMatch already has investors from funds such as Andreessen Horowitz, Benchmark, and Secua who invest in early and late stage startups. Their investors have a strong track record of investing in dozens of industries from fashion and clean tech to blockchain and SaaS. And AngelMatch is one of the largest and most comprehensive database of investors. And their profile include email, job positions, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, past investments, investment interest, investor types, and locations. One of the best thing about AngelMatch is that it is not stale. Their automated AI-based system update the database daily. They use multiple sources to verify the accuracy of the data, and they also have a verified button next to the investor's email which indicates that the email is valid. Now, the way it works is you go to their website, and I'll drop the link in video's description, then sign up with your email account, and then you'll be presented with this screen. They have three plans. If you pay yearly, then you will get 2 months free. The basic plan gives you list of up to 50 investors, whereas growth 400 and the premium 1000 investors, which is amazing. And then there are a lot of other perks and things too. And I also mentioned few of them previously in my video. So in order to start using it, you can just simply click on subscribe, and then you can either buy straight away or you can start the 3-day trial, which is great. But the access to premium data and feature is limited, which is fine. You can try it out with the basic ones. So click on subscribe, and it is going to take you to this screen where you would have to pay with the credit card. So this is something I think they should remove. If it's a trial, we shouldn't be giving them our credit card. Anyway, so this is how you subscribe to this service. But let me take you back there. So the way it works is that one of the coolest features is about AI email generator for the outreach of investors. Now, all you need to do, for example, you can say that enter the recipients, and then from to, for example, I'll just say Fahad Mirza, investor is, maybe I'll say Naval Ravikant, and then I am raising seed for my YouTube channel AI and cloud oriented. I'll just make seed smaller and then click on generate. And that is going to generate the email. I'm not sure if it would it didn't ask for my credit card. That is good. So there you go, and you can see that how terse and how professional this email is. So dear Naval, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to you today with exciting news about an opportunity I believe aligns perfectly with your vision for innovative, impactful venture. And how cool is that? Look at the, I didn't tell it, but it has beautifully expanded on my um, I would say intentions, that our mission is to demystify these cutting edge technologies and foster an informed community ready to engage with the future of tech. There you go. So it is short, it is compact, and it conveys the message. And that is what we need for our emails, because these VCs and investors, they receive unlimited amount of emails every day, so they cannot sift through every one of them in detail. So if you keep it short and to the point, I think that is going to work. And so that's it for this one. I hope that you enjoyed it. And as I said, there are a lot of other things which you can check out from this. For example, if I go above and if you click on resources, there are accelerators, pitch tech database, VC search, publications, templates, how to pitch, pre-money, post-money, and this I already have showed you, the investor outreach AI email generator. So that's it, guys. I hope that it was useful. If you have any ideas or if you know of any other similar service, let me know and I'll be happy to cover it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.